Hello students, problem number 62 from H.C. Verma. This was given as homework to you. In this problem, there are two cases, two figures actually, A and B, where several surfaces are given. In the first figure, first surface is at the potential 10 volt, second surface is at the potential 20 volt, third surface 30 volt, fourth surface 40 volt. In this way, there are four surfaces at the several potential, but each and every surface is equipotential surface. Okay, they are making an angle of 30 degree with the x-axis and the corresponding coordinates are given. That means the intersection of 10 volt at x-axis is 10, then 20, then 30. In this way, they are progressive in this manner. Okay, what is the question? The question is, what is your conclusion about the magnitude and direction of what? Of electric field. Okay, you have to tell the magnitude as well as the direction of electric field, that how the electric field and magnitude of electric field is there. Okay, so before solving this problem, you have to know the concept. That means electric field E equal to minus dV dx. That means the potential gradient, that means potential, if you observe this dV dx, then you can see potential, variation of potential with distance. Negative sign includes that if dV is increasing with distance, suppose here also 10 volt, 20 volt, 30 volt, 40 volt, that means potential is increasing in this direction. Okay, so that we can conclude the negative sign implies the direction in which the potential is increasing. Okay, the direction in which the potential is increasing, that is opposite to the direction of the electric field. Understood? That means electric field is in the opposite direction of the increasing potential gradient. So if we have to draw the potential, suppose this is the first surface at 10 volt and this is the second surface at 20 volt. In this way the surfaces are there. Second surface I am drawing in very clear way. Suppose this is second surface, that is in the 20 volt. So if you have to draw the equipotential surfaces, so you can conclude, we know the equipotential surface and electric field, they are perpendicular to each other. So if you have to draw the electric lines of force, the question is direction identify करना होगा. So if you have to draw the electric field, direction of electric field, then you have to draw the electric field lines by like this. That means they will be perpendicular to the equipotential surfaces like this. That means this angle, they will be 90 degree, so that the direction of electric field is along the direction which is perpendicular to the equipotential surfaces. So direction identified. Okay, so direction of electric field is identified in a very simple manner. Okay, so what is your reason? Your reason is electric field, as electric field is perpendicular to the equipotential surface. So the electric lines of force, if you draw the electric lines of force, okay, if you draw the electric lines of force, then the electric lines of force will be drawn like this. That means they will act in this direction, making an angle 90 degree with the equipotential surface. This is 10 volt, this is 20 volt, this is 30 volt. In this way electric field is there. Now the first question was there, we have to find the magnitude also, not only the direction, we have to identify the magnitude also. So for that purpose, how we can identify the magnitude? How we can identify the magnitude? This is also an important question, is not that? So for that purpose, just draw the figure. Just draw the figure like this. Okay, I am just trying. This is very difficult to draw here. I am just trying for you. Suppose this is at 10 volt, this is at 20 volt, दोनों लेने से ही हो जाएगा. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होगा, इसके परपेंडिकुलर होगा ऐसे. This is electric field E. Okay, this is making an angle of 30 degree. This is making an angle 30 degree. This is also making an angle 30. This is not actually 30 degree, but you have to visualize 10 volt, 20 volt, two equipotential surfaces. Okay, okay. If you draw the equipotential surfaces here, okay, the electric field lines. I am drawing the electric field lines here only. Okay, so if this is 30 degree, then tell me what will be the value of this. This will be 60 degree, na? This will be 60 degree because electric field line is perpendicular to the equipotential surface. So if this is equipotential surface and this is electric field, then this angle must be 60 degree, so that they will make an angle 90 degree also. Okay, so electric field, this angle will be 60 degree. Now from figure you have to identify the distance dr and the potential difference dV. Okay, you have to compare the two surfaces, two equipotential surfaces. Take this one and take this one. So you have to find the potential difference dV. dV equal to what? dV equal to what? 20 minus 10. That means 10 volt is the potential difference. Okay, 10 volt is the potential difference, and the distance between these two equipotential surfaces. Distance between two equipotential surfaces. This distance. Okay, this distance between the two equipotential surfaces. Pen is again not writing. This distance dr. If we take this is dr, then dr will be what? dr will be 10 cos of 60 degree, because this distance is 10 centimeter. Okay, 10, and if we want to know that this distance dr separation, this distance we don't know. Okay, then 10 cos 60 degree. If we take, then we can identify what is the distance dr. So 10 is 10, cos 60 means sin 30. Sin 30 means half. So this will become 5. So we can take dr equal to 5 centimeter. Now you have to know the relation. You know the relation E equal to minus dV by dr. That means minus dV means 10, dr means 5 centimeter. That means 5 divided by 10. That means 0.05. So if we write the square, so that we can write 10 square. So it will get electric field will be equal to 200 volt per meter. Okay, this is the solution of your answer. So this is the technique to solve this type of problem. You just solve for the figure B. If you are unable to do that, I will send you the solution. Just keep trying. Thank you very much.